Hello, and welcome to Coastal Carolina University Student Computing Services Technology Information Series. How to connect your CCU student email to mobile devices. This particular series will show how to set up the CCU Gmail account on an Android device running version 5.0, Lollipop, or higher. We do have a second series which will show how to set up the same information on an Android device running KitKat or below. We will be using the main settings options as well as the default Gmail account that came with the device. While there are literally hundreds of other Gmail apps located in the App Store, they will all essentially use the same information. So let's get started. From the Start screen, go ahead and select the Apps area. Scroll through until you find your Settings options. Under Settings, make sure you go to the General tab. Here you will find Accounts and Other Device Manager information. Under the Accounts area, go ahead and select Add an Account. Since Coastal Carolina does use the Gmail or Google as its hosting solution for student emails, go ahead and select Google. You will be prompted with a screen indicating that it's checking for information. Next, you will be asked to enter your CCU email address. Now this is going to be your student username at g.coastal.edu. Again, that is your username at g.coastal.edu. You also need to make sure that you have the g.coastal.edu in this email. You will not be prompted for a password at this location. Go ahead and select Next when you're done. You will get a screen indicating that the Google account is managed by g.coastal.edu, as well as by signing in you are agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. Go ahead and select the Accept button. You'll then see the CCU Apps login screen. Here you will be utilizing the CCU credentials that you have been given. This will be your username and password which you have set. This is the same information that you utilize to access WebAdvisor, Moodle, or the CCU Apps screen using a normal computer. So go ahead and enter the information, and when you're done, go ahead and select the Login button. Now because this is slightly larger than the width of the screen, you may have to slide left or right to be able to enter it in just right. So when you select the Next button, you will get a notification about the different services that Google has to offer. More particularly, this is going to be asking if you want to use Google services to back up your device apps, app data, etc. It will come with a password or with a check mark in the box. Go ahead and remove the check mark unless you want to leave it in. Then click the Next button. Second, the screen will show asking about setting up payment information. Again, this is not something we at Coastal Carolina University need, so you can actually say remind me later. If you want to enter in any information, you can. Go ahead and select Next. When you're finished, you will then see the Google account has been added to the list. Let's go ahead and open the Gmail app. Under your apps again, scroll through until you find the Gmail app. This will look like an envelope with a red M on it. You can also pin this to the main start screen or home screen if you would like for faster access. Your first screen will show your inbox, and it's usually sorted by the newest first. Additionally, unread emails will be shown in a darker font color than unread emails. If you want to look at any other settings, you can click the 3-bar or hamburger button located at the top left-hand side of the screen, and that will give the other information. This concludes the setup for an Android device running 5.0, Lollipop, or higher. SCS can be contacted if additional assistance is needed. We are located in Kearns Hall, room 113. Our phone numbers are 843-349-2220 or 843-349-2908. You can follow us on Twitter at CCU_SCS. We also have a Facebook page, www.facebook.com/CCUSCS. Thank you.